Guys, what's up? It's Josh and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be doing two different experiments. I've done experiments previously on my channel if you remember last year. But for this experiment I'm going to be doing two, and you'll need a glass bottle, any glass bottle, doesn't really matter, and a tissue and some water. So what I'm going to be doing in this one is really hard to explain basically, but I'll try and show you. So you'll get your glass, and then get water, and you'll fill the cup with water, not all the way. Pretty much the whole way. Pretty much up until here. Oh, brother. Want to say hi?
Hi.
Right, go on.
Yes, hello.
Sorry about that.
I can't see him.
I'll get back to you in a minute.
I can't see.
Okay, I'm sorry about what just happened. That was my baby brother. He's supposed to be going to bed now. But yeah, anyway. Now I've got your glass with some water in, not very full. Get your tissue, which shouldn't be creased. Unfortunately mine is. You're going to move all your surroundings so you don't spill any water anywhere. I've got a second experiment. I'm not going to show you guys yet. I might give away the surprise for a second though. Anyway. So I'm going to get this glass full of water. An electronically by. That didn't go as planned. You're supposed to get a tissue, hold it like this and pull really lightly down on it. Twist it a bit. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to get a new tissue. Brilliant. Try number 3. Okay, so you can get a tissue, like I say, pull very, very, very lightly. Make sure it's really on tight though. Oh my goodness. It's hard to get the tissue on, but as you can see, the process of me doing it. Right, I'll get to you when I actually do it, so you know what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, now I've got your tissue like this, so it's like a little bit wet when it's on. I'm going to basically get your ball, and it's basically not going to leak. Maybe a few drops is fine, but look, it doesn't leak. Literally. As you can see, got tissue on, literally. As you can tell, that's tissue. I accidentally punctured a hole in it with my finger. As you can see, it don't really come through. That's what's supposed to happen. God, there we go. That's that experiment done, number 1. Now, we'll move on to number 2. Finally, number 1. Okay, and for your next experiment you'll need a whiteboard, a rubber, a whiteboard pen and a Sharpie. So basically you're going to draw something on your whiteboard. As you know, Sharpie is permanent marker, it will not come off. To get your whiteboard marker, you draw over the Sharpie. I've only done a little bit of it, but if you rub it comes off, as you can see. So if I rub it, the whole thing in X-ray marker, whiteboard marker, and rub it. Then it comes straight off. Like I can draw me, well, a stick version of me, because I'm bad at drawing. This is me, Joshua. And as you can see, it will not come off. Just like whiteboard marker. can see, comes clean, as you can see when you come off. The white ball pen, draw, colour it all in a bit, so you get it really on with it. Oh no, we've got the white ball marker now, if you love it. Comes off, I just change your white ball marker, which I'm bad at colouring in, as you can tell. Yeah, if we do colour it all in like this, you can see when if you get a rubber, it comes right off. So you can do all these experiments at home, what I've done today. So yeah, if you did like this video though, be sure to give this a big like and subscribe, and leave a like if you want more experiment videos. If you did like this video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!